What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nas, and it's my third day doing 12 hours at my job. You already know. Uh, I just want to go home. I still got an hour. Hopefully, I could get some sleep when I go home. I feel not too tired, but I just want to lay down and just be knocked out as soon as possible. What are you guys up to? I know you guys must be sleeping or waking up right now and watching this video. You probably think, what the hell is he saying? If you guys know, the night shift is really complicated because you're just messing up your timeline of your sleep. Like you changing your sleep. You don't sleep at night, you sleep at morning. Your morning becomes the night. The night becomes the morning or afternoon for you. And everything is just goes so different. Like you feel like a vampire, literally. What do you guys think about this title? It's interesting. I just want you guys to comment below if you are Indian and watching this video. If you're not, then I guess you're not. Whatever you are, type it below. Let me tell you about myself. I'm Bengali. We are known as Indians because back in the days we're all Pakistan, Indian, and Bengali people. We all used to be the same place. We all used to be in the same area, same motherland. We just had to separate because the British fucked us over, and Gandhi decided there's just too many people. If I'm wrong, that's all I know, by the way. That's why we got our own independent. India got theirs and Pakistan got theirs. But I'm Indian. What are you? Comment below. And I'm a blog when I get home or whenever I'm free, I guess. Catch you guys later. All right. Hey guys, it's your boy Nas. Just got up, ate some rice, about to head out to this place where they sell like expensive birds, like talking birds and stuff. My sister, she goes crazy for birds. So a day ago, she bought a bird for $600. I was surprised. Like, come on, you spending $600 on a bird? You out of your mind? So I made her, cry a little bit on the phone to convince the guy to, give my sister the money back. I know that's wrong of me, but come on, $600? Shouldn't be spending that much money. Today I went outside for a little bit, and 2 days ago, our imam, the guy who actually calls out to pray, I think that's him, or another imam. Imam is like, in a Muslim, they're the priest. They're the holy father of mosque, and they were shot right from the mosque. I think that was a hate crime. It's like literally 3 blocks away from my crib, and I heard about it and I felt sad in my heart. Come on, these guys are very peaceful, so kind. I heard a lot of good things about this guy, and he's a guy. He's a guy who respects everybody, and he was shot Allah may give them peace. I just hope their family's okay. I hope they feel better. May God protect their family. And it's crazy because when I went outside, the whole street was blocked. You see cars. You know how when you go to traffic, when you go to highway traffic and there's so many traffic, that's how it looks in my my regular neighborhood. That's how busy, that's how so many people came to give respect to these guys. And I felt bad. Like, why would you do that to people that who has done nothing to kill them right in public? You are sick people. Not you guys. I'm just literally visualizing to the people that who actually killed them. That's just stupid. May God be peace be upon him and let him sleep in a good heaven. Oh, waiting for the bus right now. I heard it takes too long, and it's really hot in New York. Really hot in New York. And myself, I'm calling myself an idiot because I did not even buy a bottle of water. I'm already thirsty. I'm sweating. God, it's like almost 100 degrees in New York. What the hell? Nah. Damn. I'm still waiting for it. Let's see. Let's hope let's hope the bus comes early than I expect. I'm actually here right now. If you guys are interested buying birds and stuff, and if you live in Queens, come to 113 Atlantic Avenue, Richmond Hill, New York, 11418. He gives you a lot of discounts, so don't worry. When you come here, you're gonna feel like home because the birds are here. Birds are really pretty, and I'm about to show you guys right now. Hey, look at that. I'm gonna show you guys around. All the birds. Look at that. Such a pretty birds, guys. Pretty good. If you guys are interested in buying birds, you should come here. Look at all these birds. Holy shit. Hello. Oh, this is so good. Look at this. Oh, that is nice. That's pretty. Oh, those are babies?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Nice. So cute.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, that is so cute. Wow.
Look. It's totally nice, but you got yell on me. No reason.
That was pretty. Esse aqui não sou hilagre. O Shabang aqui looking to yourself.
I don't know.
Should have bought that one. So you want to get the small one? Man, I'm about to put this on YouTube. Anybody want to buy birds? I'm letting them know to come here. This is pretty, guys. So if you guys want to come here, they have pretty much almost every bird there is. Very expensive, but he has a great deal. So no worries, just come through. Everything looks just too good. Too good. Holy shit. Nice. Wow. Just bought 3 birds, English Virgin. I think that's how you say their name, so I'm not sure. These are for my sister. But I think my sister, if they don't, we have 2 more in the crib, but this 3 doesn't do anything, any sort of mating, then I'm just gonna return them.
Not we gonna choose another one.
Like return and choose another one, because English birds are cute birds. Like they're really cute. They're not too expensive, but they're not too cheap.
They're
But-
50.
but
One
the-
is 39.
But so good, trust me. Guys, if you want any birds, I'm saying any sort of birds, come to this place. They got every sort of bird there is. You just gotta have the money. Seriously, they have the talking birds, the parakeets, the I don't know how to say all their names, lovebirds and stuff. They have it all. Just come through, you know.